Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about subjective pronouns, be verbs, and how to use them with the word not. Okay, so let's look at the board to help us out. Now, the first sentence says, I'm not a student. Not means it's not true, no. So remember, I'm a student means yes, I'm a student. I go to school and I learn. I'm not a student means no, I'm a teacher, or no, I'm not a student. Okay. Now, notice we first have the subjective pronoun and the be verb, then we put not. Okay. Not comes after. And then we have the noun. Okay. I'm not a student. Okay. Now also listen carefully. Nada sounds like one word. I'm not a student. Nada. I'm not a student. Okay, let's look at the next one. He's not a student. He's not a student. She's not a student. She's not a student. It's not a dog. Remember, it is used for place, thing, or animal. So, it's not a dog. Okay. You're not a student. You're not a student. Okay. The next one is a little bit different. We have we are, we're. Now, remember, we means more than one, many. Okay. So we say students. We put an S and we don't put an A in front. We're not students. We're not students. Okay? And there is the same thing. It means more than one. So, they're not students. They're not students. Okay, we're going to look at some more examples. I want you to listen carefully and repeat after the examples. Let's start with the first one. I'm not. I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm not a girl. I'm not a girl. He's not. He's not a man. He's not a man. He's not a boy. He's not a boy. She's not. She's not a woman. She's not a woman. She's not a girl. She's not a girl. It's not. It's not a chair. It's not a chair. It's not a cat. It's not a cat. You're not. You're not a singer. You're not a singer. You're not a friend. You're not a friend. We're not. We're not sisters. We're not sisters. We're not brothers. We're not brothers. They're not. They're not people. They're not people. They're not cars. They're not cars. So in this video, we learned how to use subjective pronouns with the be verb and how to use them with the word not. Okay, so I wrote some sentences about myself using what we learned. So remember, I'm not a, okay? I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. I'm not a Canadian. I'm not a Canadian. Okay, and the last one, I'm not a loser. I'm not a loser. Okay, so that was a little bit about me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.